how to buy Pump Trump token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and this token address came under this wallet work. Open your financial wallet for that and click swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Pump Trump token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.